Prepositions of time. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition in, on and at. These three prepositions are also used for time and they are called the preposition of time. So where do we use in reference of time? We use in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but for days like Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Although the morning, afternoon is there, we use on Friday morning, on Sunday morning, on Monday evening. I'll see you in the morning. Do you work in the evenings? I'll see you on Friday morning. Do you work on Saturday evening? So for days, we use on. Days and dates, we use on. For other time of the day, we use in, and when we want to talk about a specific time, then we use at. At for a time of day, at 5 o'clock, at 11:45, at midnight, at lunchtime, at sunset, etc. On for days and dates, on Friday, on Fridays, on 16th May 2012, on New Year's Day, on my birthday. In for a longer period like months, years and season, etc. In June, in 2012, in 1990s, in 20th century, in the past, in the winter. So remember, at for a particular time or a particular time of a day, on for days and dates, and in for a longer period like months, years and season. My birthday is dash July, name of a month. So with month we use in. We have a meeting dash 3 p.m. Particular time of the day, time is there, that's why at. She always wakes up early in the morning. They are visiting us, particular day, event, that is on Christmas Day. The movie starts dash in the evening. Now next preposition is prepositions of motion. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition to, into, onto and through. To, when you want to show a direction, somebody is going or activity is happening at a particular direction. Into, when you want to show somebody is entering, there is a action going on. Onto, again on a surface an action is going on, and through, from one end to other end, बीच में से निकलना. She entered the room quietly. Entered means अंदर जा रही है, so outside से inside activity हो रही है, that's why it is into the room. She entered into the room. The bird flew dash the window. अब विंडो से वो अंदर आ रही है या विंडो से अंदर से बाहर जा रही है, मूवमेंट शो हो रहा है एक साइड से दूसरी साइड तक का, then it is through. और अगर वो विंडो सिल पर आकर बैठ जाती, then the bird sat onto the window sill. They drove dash the city. They drove to the city. वो सिटी की तरफ जा रहे हैं. The ball rolled dash the street. स्ट्रीट के अंदर आई है, किसी भी यार्ड से, किसी स्पेस से वो स्ट्रीट के अंदर आई है. So the ball rolled into the street. He jumped dash the pool. Jumped outside to inside, that's why jumped into the pool. Mixed prepositions. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition from the option given. He is interested dash a science. When he is interested in science. So उसका इंटरेस्ट साइंस में है. The dog jumped dash the fence. फेंस के एक साइड से दूसरी साइड पे जा रहा है लेकिन फेंस को टच नहीं हो रहा है, then it is over. जब भी एक साइड से दूसरी साइड पे आप जा रहे हैं लेकिन बीच में आप उसको टच नहीं कर रहे हैं, जंप कर रहे हैं, then it is always over. The dog jumped over the fence. It is over without touching the surface. She is good. You are good at something. She is good at maths. We arrived dash the airport early. So we arrived at the airport. The book is dash the dinosaur. The book is about Not of, not for, it is about. Dinosaurs के बारे में है. Contextual sentences. Fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. Now you will have to decide the prepositions yourself. Number 1, we are going dash a trip dash France next month. We are going on a trip. We are going on a trip to France next month. The keys are dash the drawer, right dash the spoons. The keys are inside the drawer, so the keys are in the drawer. Right next to the spoons or beside the spoons. So it's right next to the spoons के साथ पड़ी हुई है. She put the vase dash the table. तो कहाँ रखा है वास को? टेबल के ऊपर. So on the table. And the flowers, और flowers कहाँ है वास के? in. So in it. And the flowers in it. I have been waiting dash bus stop dash 10 minutes. I have been waiting at the bus stops. And for duration of time we use for. So कितने समय से वेट कर रहे हैं? 10 minutes से. So for 10 minutes we'll use for 10 minutes. They sat dash the campfire and sang songs dash the night. So they sat around. चारों तरफ बैठे हुए हैं campfire के, तो they sat around the campfire and sang songs through the night. So पूरी रात उन्होंने गाना गाया है. So through the night. Through the night.